Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to hop on to do a quick review on this Roku remote replacement. So we have 3 Roku TVs in our home, and for some reason the remotes keep disappearing. I went on Amazon and I ordered a replacement one because I wanted to see if it would work with our TVs. And y'all, this thing is great. It works with all of the Roku TVs, all of the buttons, the features work. It did not come with the batteries. But as far as the volume button, the streaming services buttons, it works really well as a replacement remote. So if you need a Roku remote and you cannot find the original, or you just want to have an extra one or two so that you're not constantly looking for remotes, check this one out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Take care, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.